Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the best affiliate marketing website which you can earn money if you will open account here, and if you follow my video I think you will get a lot of information and you can decide what you want to do and how can you earn. Okay, I always uploaded the passive income generating system and a lot of tricks, paid tips and tricks which you'll get free on my channel. So let me show you the affiliate marketing website which you can earn money, and I think it's the best strategy for you. So the first one name is the warriorplus.com. Just see here, its name is Warrior Plus. I think most of the person know about this. It's the number one marketplace for the affiliate marketing website in worldwide. Okay, so here you can do vendors also, and you can side by side you can do affiliate also. So two income options available here. So here the vendor, the affiliates earn million dollar monthly or weekly from this website. Its name is Warrior Plus. Okay, so if you cannot find, then go to my description link here. I will give you link. Just open your account and earn money. Okay, Warrior Plus is the number one marketplace, and you can earn money here daily 100 to 100 USD few perfect sales. So how can you will get sales and what you have to set up? I will just share you in my next video. Okay. Today I will just introduce to you the some best affiliate marketing website ever. So the just noted it. Its name is Warrior Plus. The second one name is javiju.com. Yeah, Javiju also the number one affiliate marketing website worldwide. Today I will show you the best website and the best affiliate marketing website which awarded a lot of things. Okay, so just introduce to you these websites as muted it. From today you can earn money from this and apply here. If you cannot find this website, then go to my description in here and give you link and apply here. Just earn money from today. The third one name is Asslamuaikum. If you want to do digital marketing, if you want to do digital marketing agency, or if you want to do digital sales, software sales, then this will be the best for you. You can choose here, and I think it's all the very perfect for you. So today I just show you the three website. After that, I will give you the some tips and tricks about the affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's what today, and just look at this website and earn money from here. Lot of you can earn money from if you follow this follow video, and if you want to open account and do payment decision, here you can. So thank you very much for watching my video.